In so many ways, the current global pandemic has challenged and changed us all, which is why it's important for us to find ways to make sense of and process our experiences, to understand that we are not alone and that we can adapt and even thrive in the face of adversity. For instance, many pastimes that we consider classic today can be credited to the Great Depression for their popularity, as a very human response to the challenges of that era. When times were toughest, small intentions planted seeds of hope. And likewise, our pandemic experiences hold those same heirloom seeds of hope and resilience. Though each of us sought solace, we processed pain, we fought the isolation, found joy in different ways. Sharing our collective pandemic stories will help all of us grow. As we understand the value of our common experiences and find opportunities to share them with others, we can find meaning and connection. That's why I'm pleased to introduce a new initiative led by the Office of Wellbeing. It's called Honoring Our Pandemic Experiences, or simply put, we're calling it HOPE. This year-long initiative features a variety of arts and other programs designed to promote healing through creative expression, reflection, and community. From storytelling workshops and musical experiences to photo contests and spiritual events, to visiting authors and lecturers, HOPE honors all of us. The event details will be shared on the Office of Wellbeing website and promoted throughout the institution. Please join us and plant some seeds of hope for the future.